So this man brought his son in for his annual physical, and he starts talking to me about how grateful he is that we provide this service so that his kid can play soccer. And without it, he didn't know what he would do. And after a while, he gets kind of serious and says, "Do you know where I would go if I needed health care?" And I said, "Well, you would come here." The look of relief on his face, that was when I was hooked.
This month, KDHX's nonprofit Spotlight focuses on health and wellness. Through partnerships with lots of other organizations, the Institute for Family Medicine has established over 15 locations throughout the metro area to deliver health care to those in need. Rachel Werner is a registered nurse pursuing advanced degrees in healthcare and finds time to volunteer for the Institute for Family Medicine. To her, volunteering is a break from the standard hospital environment.
I would have patients bringing their own medications in because they weren't insured, and they would be so concerned about every single cost, and just broke my heart because here they are battling cancer or some horrible sickness, and they're having to think about how much is that toothpaste that you brought into my room going to cost me down the road. The beautiful thing about the Institute for Family Medicine is we wouldn't even know how to process a copay if they gave us one. It's just cool to be able to do something that so directly helps people that need it.
There are many people in St. Louis that need the help. Last year, the Institute for Family Medicine provided more than 16,000 healthcare services. One of the people to receive those services is Ryan.
I had 2 heart attacks, and I was sent to the hospital. When I got out of the hospital, I was supposed to do all these follow-ups with doctors. Well, since I didn't have insurance, none of them really wanted to see me. So I heard about Dr. Campbell, and I went to him. He said, "Don't worry about none of that." And I've been going to him ever since. And I tell you, if it wasn't for him, I probably wouldn't be here today.
Dr. David Campbell is the founder and primary physician provider of the Institute of Family Medicine. Issues surrounding healthcare are complicated, but Dr. Campbell's goal is simple: remove the barriers to healthcare so that those that need it can get it.
You're looking at things like travel, cost, in some cases, language, and trust. When you can see that twinkle in a person's eye when they realize that you really are trying to help them, it is the most rewarding part. And there's a new sense of hope that they have that somebody really is understanding their situation and trying to reach them on their terms.
For more information, visit the Institute for Family Medicine website at www.ifm-stl.org.